Hey guys, just got this package in the mail here. Came in from Richmond, BC. And this is my honey extractor. I'm gonna use some scissors. I have my blade on me right now, somewhere around. And I was gonna open the box, take a look at what's inside. All right. I just ordered 4 nukes, bee nukes. That's gonna come in May. And but right now, it's a new addition to the homestead and to the bees. So, the box inside the box. All right. So when they wrap these things, they're wrapping good, which is good. All right. Sorry about the camera work, guys. Oh, it's not falling over. Okay. Let's see here. Oh yeah, I see. Just got that corner protected there. All right. Let's take a look here. Ooh. Okay, so that's the valve there for pouring the honey. Oh yeah, so that goes in the tank and that. Oh, it's good because I want to put a different attachment on there anyways. It's good to know. I'm gonna put an attachment with a hose on it. Do some modifications to this tank here. Picked up some fish today too. It's for ice fishing this weekend. All right, let's see here. Oh yeah, here's the legs here, and these legs. There's 3 of them. I am going to modify those too. I'm gonna weld it. Put that over there. All right, so I'll be right back. All right, guys, so here's the extractor. This is the top. I haven't put it all together yet. I'll do that later. Just want to show you the extractor. I do have a problem with it. Of course, I've been playing around with it. This is the speed control right here. And even if I turn it off, it's still on. And if I turn it to low, it goes straight going at high. No matter where I move it to, it's still high. It doesn't have the variable speed. So if I start using this and I put my frames in there, I have a great chance of breaking the frames at starting at a high speed. This runs at 1600 RPM, and no matter where I put it, it starts at high. So I've been contacting the guy on eBay and told him, and we'll see what happens. I'll send him a link to this video too so he can see it. And to show him that it doesn't matter where it is, it's always on high. Because all you can do on eBay is show, is do pictures. So I'm not too happy with that, but I'm sure that he or she will make it right. And I'll turn that off. Even though I put it there, it's off. If I move it just a little bit, see it's still on min. And you can hear it kicking in. It'll just go right to fast. No matter what, it's still the same speed. So anyways, that's the extractor. I will take that out there. I could probably pull it out from the hole here. It's just, and when I got it from the UPS guy, all the styrofoam inside was broken, so for the most part, and then the screws and everything are all over the place, but that's fine. I'm sure I got them all. But yeah, this is definitely not working. So I've got time though. We're February right now, the 12th, or 13th. Tomorrow's Valentine's Day, so happy Valentine's to all the ladies out there watching the channel. And I don't, I just ordered nukes today. They come in May, so there's time. So, yeah. So I want to put it all together and stuff, but I'm going to have to wait to see what these guys say from eBay. So, anyways, that's as far as I'm going to go with this video.